Good day, viewers. Welcome to Rehoboth Glorious Heritage Academy online facilitation. Today we are looking at application of trigonometric ratios to bearings. Application of trigonometric ratios to bearings. For some time now we have been looking at application of trigonometric ratios and we have been able to apply it to finding distances. Okay, so today it is bearings that we are looking at. And when we say bearings, we are talking about the position of a point y with reference to a certain point x. That means we must have a starting point, and that starting point will determine the direction of our movement. We have various methods of representing bearings. We have Sauvigne's method and we have the compass method. Let me just mention two. Okay, and when we say Sauvigne's method, we are talking about the use of 3D gates to represent the bearing of movement of a body. For example, if you are given 50 degrees northeast in compass method and you want to change it to Sauvigne's method, then you add 0 to that 50. That means it's going to become 050 degree. That will be the bearing using the Sauvigne's method. But if it's a compass method, that is when you use north-south, northeast, you use northeast, northwest, you use southeast, southwest, and so on. So let's quickly look at some questions. Look at this question. A ship Q leaves a port P and sails 30 kilometers due south. A ship Q leaves a port P and sails 30 kilometers due south. Then it sails 60 kilometers due west. What is the bearing of Q from P? Okay, before we do anything at all, we shall draw the four cardinal points. The four cardinal points. I want to say the four cardinal points. We are talking about north, south, east, and west. So this is north, this is south, this is west, and this is the east. Okay? And before you do anything at all, you must, if you are using Sauvigne's method, you must start the movement from the north. You must start the movement from the north. A ship Q leaves a port P, okay, and sails 30 kilometers due south. That means the direction of movement is towards the south. And the distance covered is 30 kilometers. This is where the ship is now. Okay? Then means from where you are right now, you continue the journey. Then it sails 60 kilometers due west. This is the western part. So this is 60 kilometers. If it is 60 kilometers due east, then it will be in this direction. So this is where we have the shape now. Don't forget the starting point is P and this is the starting point. So we shall join P and Q together. And don't forget the angle between north and west is 90 degrees. That means from here we can get a right angled triangle. Okay? This is it. The length of this side is 30 kilometers and this is 60 kilometers. 30, 60. Now what is the question? What is the bearing of Q from P? The question is from P. What is the bearing of Q? I told you the other time that you must start the movement from the north. So you continue going until you get to that line, joining P and Q together. Don't forget this is the line towards the north. You continue moving. And this is the line joining P and Q together. So that means we need the whole of this angle from this place to this line. Now we know that this is 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees, but we don't know this angle. So let's call it theta. So that means the angle up here is theta. So what are we going to use? We have opposite, that is the side that faces the given angle. This is the hypotenuse, the side that faces angle 90 degrees, but we are not given. We have the opposite and we have the adjacent. Now out of so, ka, and toa, the one that we can make use of is the one that contains opposite and adjacent. So we shall make use of tan theta is equal to opposite, that is 60 divided by 30. Tan theta will give us 2. The tangent of a certain angle gives us 2. That means theta is equal to arctan 2. Then theta is equal to, if you use your scientific calculator or you make use of your four-figure tables, theta will be equal to 63.43 degrees. That is the value of theta. So the bearing of Q from P will be equal to, don't forget I said you start from the north, 90 plus 90 plus this theta, 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus theta. But our theta is 63.43 degrees. So we shall add everything together. 90 plus 90 will give us 180 plus 63.43. That is 243.43 degrees. Approximately, that will give us 243.4 degrees. 0.4 degrees. Or you write to the nearest degree, and that will be 243 degrees. I believe you got it. Okay.